Good morning to all. My name is Anthony Sunny, currently pursuing BE in Computer Science at SNS College of Technology. Today, I'm here to discuss about the computer vision based on the artificial intelligence. First of all, let us look what is computer vision. Computer vision is a field of artificial intelligence that enables computers and systems to derive meaningful information from digital images, videos, and other visual inputs and take actions or make them recommendations based on that information. If AI enables computers to think, the computer vision enables them to see, observe, and understand. The computer vision works as much as the same as the human vision, except the humans we always have a head start. The human side has the advantages of that if we see an image or video, we can recognize it whether they are moving, whether there is something wrong in an image, and how far and distance away from us. But the computer vision trains machines to perform these functions with the help of cameras, data, and algorithm rather than the retinas, optic nerves, and visual cortex. The usage of computer vision is increasing and it is expected to reach a 4.6 billion US dollar by the year 2022. The working of the computer vision. The computer vision needs a lot of data for its smooth functioning. The computer vision analyzes the data over and over until it make and ultimately recognize the images. For example, if we want to train a computer to recognize automobile tires, we need to provide it with a lot of images related to tires so that it can recognize the tire with no defects. The major two technologies used in the computer vision are the deep learning and convolutional neural network. The history of the computer vision. It has taken an almost 60-year research over the computer vision by the scientists. Experimentation was already begun in the year 1959 by the scientists and it is still going. But in the year 1963, a major changes and transformation had occurred in the field of computer vision because of the arrival of the AI as the academic field of study. In the year 1974 saw the introduction of optical character recognition technology, which had recognized the text printed in any font or typeface. Similarly, intelligent character recognition and the research on the computer vision is still going on and it is increasing day by day, and there is a lot of research being done in the computer vision field, but it's not just research. Real world application demonstrate how important computer vision is to endeavors in business, entertainment, transportation, healthcare, and everyday life. A key driver for the growth of this application is the flood or visual information flowing from smartphones, security system, traffic cameras, and other visually instrumented devices. The data could play a major role in operations across industries, but today goes unused. A lot of companies uses the computer vision for their application, a launchpad for them to become a part of range of human activities. The IBM used computer vision to create My Moments for the 2018 Masters Golf Tournament. IBM Watson watched hundreds of hours of Masters footage and could identify the sites of significant shots. It correlated the key moments and delivered them to fans as personalized highlight reels. Google Translate lets user point a smartphone camera at a sign in another language and almost immediately obtain a translation of the sign in their preferred languages. The development of self-driving vehicles relies on computer vision to make sense of the visual input from a car's cameras and other sensors. It's essential to identify other cars, traffic signs, lane makers, pedestrians, bicycles, and all other visual information encountered on the road. Many organizations don't have the resources to fund computer vision labs and create deep learning models and neural networks. This may also lack the computing power required to process huge sets of visual data. Companies such as IBM are helping by offering computer vision software development services. Users connect to the services through the application programming interface and use them to develop computer vision applications. The computer vision application platform had been introduced by the IBM, both developmental and computing resource concern. IBM Maximum Visual Inspection includes tools that enable subject matter experts as label, train and deploy deep learning visual models without coding or deep learning expertise. While it's getting easier to obtain resources to develop computer vision application, an important question to answer early is what exactly will this application do? Understanding what and defining specific computer vision tasks can focus and validate project and application and make it easier to get started. Here are few examples of established computer vision tasks. Image classification sees image and can classify it. More precisely, it is enabled to accurately predict that a given image belongs to a certain class. For example, a social media company might want to use it to automatically identify and segregate objectionable images uploaded by the users. Still, the computer vision is growing and it will be useful for many of the application for the future. Thank you.